Alright, language explorers. So, let's look at this Saturday phrasal verbs. So, got up. Got up. To wake up. Wake up from sleep or from lying down. So I'm lying down, just relaxing, and then I got up. I need to get up. I need to get up early tomorrow. I want to get up now. Can you get up soon? I got up earlier. He got up before me. Yeah. They got up at 6 a.m. Very early. How cool is that? Yeah. I got up just now. Yeah. Have you just got up? Have you just got up? Like got up out of bed? He got up out of bed. They'll get up soon. They'll get up soon. Yeah. She will get up shortly. Just wait. Yeah. He likes to get up in his own time. In his own time. Yeah. How cool is that? Oops. Yeah. So I thought he got up early every day. Well, clearly he does not get up early. He gets up late. Oh, I was wrong. All right then. How cool is that? He's getting up now. He's getting up now out of bed. He is getting up now out of bed. She is getting up now. She's getting up easily. Yeah, leave her alone. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When do you think he will get up? Yeah, when do you want to get up in the morning? When do you want to get up in the morning? Say 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m.? Well, I will get up when I want. Yeah, when I want. Simple as that. How cool is that? I'll get up when I want. Yeah. I try to get up before 9 a.m. That way I have plenty of time to do things and then record my lessons. Yeah. By getting up early enough, I have more time. The earlier I get up, the more time I have. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So got up. I got up early. He wants to get up early. I always get up early. When did he get up? How cool is that? She got up just now. She got up just now. Yeah, from bed, from lying down. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use got up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.